Hi there, this is Chris Callett with museGrid.com. If you've watched the previous video, the Ion Icons video, you'll have seen on the Ions icon page some of these icons are animated. So we also have a widget that allows you to place those animated widgets on the page as well, those animated icons, on the page as well. So let's jump into Muse and take a look at that. Now, the Ion Icons and Ion Icons animated widget are both widgets that are available from the free Spring Pack from museGrid.com, and they're available in the add-ons market and on museGrid.com itself as well. So if you haven't got all of those, go and grab that download. Very similar to the Ion Icons or the Font Awesome icons that we've seen in other videos, we just click on the library item here, drag it to the page here, and this will render an initial icon. And if we take a look at that in preview mode, we can see that currently it has a slight pause and then it rotates, and there's an infinite rotate on it. So let's take a look at our settings here. Now these are vector fonts, of course, so vector icons, so these can rescale to whatever size you wish. And as with the other videos where you may have seen us using these font-based icons, you can change the colors in the text tool. So taking a look at the options here, we have our choice of the different icons here. So let's switch to, let's say, the reloading icon here, nice slim icon. We have infinite rotations switched on. We have our spin speed set at 1 second. We have our animation to linear, and we have our animation delay at 2 seconds. So if we switch that delay off, this will actually start running as soon as it loads up. So there we go, we see that there. We can then maybe set the speed. So let's make it faster by reducing the spin speed down. So if we take a look at that now, we can see that that's running a lot faster. And we could also switch the infinite rotation off. Let's make this slower and switch that infinite rotation off now. So we'll see that it just rotates once and then stops. And we have some controls over the animation type as well. So that was linear, so it runs the same speed all the time. But if we have easing in and easing out, we can see that it starts off slow and then comes to a nice slowing down stop. So these are really nice little animation features that we can add. We can also put a delay on this. So if we put a 1 second delay, when we preview the page, there'll be a slight delay, then it'll start, and then it'll come to a stop. So you could use these design elements on your page to grab attention or for whatever you wish. And this is just a nice little addition to the Ion Icons pack if you wanted some animated icons on there as well. So very easy to use. If you get stuck and you need to watch this video again, just open up the widget, click on the help and tutorials, and you'll get straight to our help page. Thanks for watching.